Hello everybody, welcome back again with another video. Hari ini adalah hari apa? Hari Kamis dan aku latihan. I don't know week what, tapi day-nya itu day 3 karena lusa sama 3 hari lalu aku sudah latihan day 1 dan day 2-nya. Yaitu yang day 1 itu aku latihan bench press dan day 2-nya itu aku latihan deadlift. Yang dimana aku deadliftnya itu aku ganti dari yang awalnya sumo deadlift and then I change it to conventional deadlift. And yeah, I think possibly I'm gonna do deadlift like 80% I'm gonna do deadlift conventional deadlift on the mid competitions. Jadi ya, meskipun I think it's only like 3 more weeks untuk aku nyampe di competition, tapi ya udahlah, nggak apa-apa. I don't care how many kilos that I be able to get on the mid competitions. Kalau misalnya 180 ya udah 180. Kalau misalnya kayak kemarin 185 ya udah 185. But I'm gonna be happier if I get like 190 on that day. Tapi it doesn't mean I'm not gonna be happy if I only get like 180 or 185. Jadi I'm gonna be so sad kalau misalnya aku dapat di bawah 180 lah. But that's okay, that's the challenge. So that means I have to be able to get at least like 180 kilos on the competitions. Anyway, hari ini aku akan latihan upper body lagi. Dan upper body-nya diawali dengan Larsen press. Dan Larsen pressku akan aku lakukan di 4 set 4 repetisi. Dan aku buat program latihannya di 92.5 kilos sih. Tapi aku nggak tahu bisa dapat atau enggak. Tapi mudah-mudahan bisa dapat lah. At least I got 2 sets of it. Habis itu lakukan back off sets-nya di 83 kilo. Yeah, there's nothing that I want to tell you anymore. I think my days today is just kind of like berjalan sesuai rencanaku. Tapi latihannya telat 30 menit. I supposed to exercise 30 minutes ago at 2:30. Sekarang udah di jam 3. Ya, itulah yang terjadi. Sometimes it's just gonna be late for few minutes, but it's okay. I train now dan aku bisa lebih nyantai trainingnya karena aku kelasku yang nanti sore itu di jam 6. Jadi ya, it's supposed to be finished at 4:15 at least, or 4:20 or 4:30 at the very least. Jadi ya itulah, aku akan mulai dengan Larsen press dulu. Aku akan pemanasan mungkin 4-5 set sampai benar-benar chestku sama shouldersku sama tricepsku warm up. Habis itu baru ya ke 92.5 kilos. So I'll see you guys there, and please watch it till the end, and don't forget to subscribe it first. My subscribers is already at 145 subscribers, and much love. Thank you very much for that. Bye bye. I'll see you guys on the first sets of the first exercise at 92.5 kilos Larsen press. Okay guys, aku sudah masuk di set pertamaku. Tadi aku sudah melakukan pemanasan. Let me just count it. How many sets that I did for the warming up. Barbell, habis itu ada 40 kilos and then 50 kilos and then 60 kilos after that, and then jump up to 80 kilos. So yeah, 5 sets of the warming up. Juga banyak. Tapi emang seperti itu. Aku pengen kayak ngerasain bener-bener kayak badanku ini ready untuk lakukan bench ini. And now here I am at 92.5 kilos, and yeah, hopefully I can get 4 on this one. Let's do this now. Oke, cukup berat ternyata. So, yep, I think I'm gonna do one more set on this one still. Tapi supaya lebih aman, aku bakal pakein safety pin lah supaya aman, so that I can go all out as well without scare that this barbell gonna slam on my bench, on my chest. So, oh ya, waktu ini tuh ada orang, temanku tuh kan punya gym. dan punya CCTV juga. Terus waktu ini tuh ada orang yang lakukan bench dan dia tuh slip away, like slip off tangannya waktu mau dorong ke atas, slip off, habis itu benar-benar nimpa dadanya dan dibawa ke rumah sakit karena ada pendarahan di dalam. So, isn't it crazy? We gotta play safe on this one. On every exercises actually. Jadi, yeah, safety pin it is for the second set. I need to get some rest right now. Okay, we'll see you guys on the second set. Okay, that was nice, and I think with the proper rest, tadi itu aku rest di 3 menit, and right now I'm gonna do the same thing, 3-minute rest and then do the same weight again. Mudah-mudahan bisa lah dapetin 4 repetisi lagi, and then after that I think we're gonna do the backup sets. Okay, let's just take a rest first, and then hopefully, finger crossed, I can do another 4 reps on this weight. Okay, definitely go down. So, I'm gonna take a rest for 2.5 minutes. Hey Siri, set the timer for 2.5 minutes. So yeah, aku akan turunin ke 83 kilo. Jadi yang dilepas itu 5 kilo. Habis itu 1,25 nya dilepas juga. Habis itu dipasang lagi. Habis itu ditambahkan 0,5 each side-nya. Jadi akan di situ. So, bener dengan planningku, ini sesuai berjalan dengan plannya itu aku lakukan 3 set di 92,5 kilo, habis itu turun ke 83 kilo dan lakukan 4 set lakukan 4 repetisi semuanya. So, it was going well so far. Ini baru gerakan pertama, mudah-mudahan gerakan kedua sampai terakhir itu bisa terlaksana dengan at least sesuai dengan plannya. Okay, let's just take a rest first and then do the last one. Okay, that's it. So, nggak bisa lepas. So guys, that's it for this bench press exercise. I did it actually. Okay, I need to take a rest for 3 minutes and then continuing myself to go to the next exercise. Tapi sebelum itu, let's review it a little bit. So, 92.5 kilos, I did 3 sets on it for 4 reps. Dan habis itu set terakhirnya di 83, yes, sesuai dengan rencana. And right now, I'm going to do, what's that called? Seated neutral grip cable row. Jadi yang grip yang pendek yang seperti ini tuh, aku akan lakukan row di sana. Di 8 repetisi, 3 set, di 57,5 kilo. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But, I still need to do some, what's that called? Warming up. Yep, warming up set for 2 sets. Itu yang akan aku lakukan. And right now, I'm just gonna take a rest, relax, playing with gadget. Actually, there's gadget here. Hey, lagi gigit-gigit apa yang dia mau gigit. Habis itu baru ya kita masuk ke warming up setnya. And then, I'll see you guys at the first sets of my cable row exercise. Mudah-mudahan bisa berjalan dengan lancar lagi. Astaga. Bye-bye. Oke guys, itu dia aku lakukan seated cable row yang neutral grip di 57.5 kilos. Dan aku sudah lakukan pakai strap karena I just want to rest my grip strength. Karena besok aku akan lakukan deadlift setelah squat besok. Jadi yeah, it's better to save the what's that called? I don't even know what is that called. Save the energy for tomorrow. Jadi gadget jatuh. So ya, jadinya aku pakai strap aja dari set 1 sampai set 3 nanti. Dan ya, it was going well actually. It's not too heavy and also it's not light. Meskipun ini 8 repetisi, tapi it's not that light. Jadi aku masih punya 2 set lagi. Let's do them. Rest first. Yeah, I'm exercising with gadget actually. One more. So yeah, that's it guys for my seated cable row. Aku sudah dapat lakukan ini di 3 set sebanyak 8 repetisi di 57,5 kilo. So it's good. Dan sekarang let's moving on to the next one. Next one is seated shoulder press, and on this one I'm just gonna jump to the working set right away supaya tidak terlalu banyak ngabisin waktu, dan juga my shoulders overall is already like warmed up gara-gara gerakan pertama dan gerakan kedua. Jadi yeah, in my opinion there is no need for me to do some warming up again. So yeah, let's just take a rest first. Okay, that was 25 kilos. Dan aku akan lakukan 2 set lagi di beban ini. No, I think 1 more sets on this weight. Habis itu baru turun ke 23,5 kilo karena tricepku yang kiri sudah terlalu take over di gerakan ini, jadi kerasa banget tricep yang kiri. Yeah, 2 more sets then. And then if it's not going well on the second one, and then we're gonna do the drop sets after that, okay? Let's just take a rest first. Dumbbellnya kena kepalaku tadi, keserempet. But that's okay, I think. That was not too heavy, not as heavy as the first set, even though the weight is the same. And yeah, I decided to do another set with this weight. Finger crossed, hopefully I can get it. What a grind. I actually noticed that I'm about to fail already at the 7th rep, Dan tapi aku benar-benar coba untuk diriku fokus, lakukan leg drive-nya, lakukan pressing-nya dengan benar, sikuku tuh turunnya tuh nggak ngaco dan tetap masih terkontrol. Dan ya, I did it. Tapi di repetisi terakhir tuh I think my left traps is taking over a little bit, but I think that's okay karena udah capek juga yang kiri kan. Yang kanan oke aja sebenarnya meskipun memang berat juga. Yeah, I think that's it for this shoulder press, and we are moving on to the last exercises. So there is an S at the last exercises because I'm gonna do 2 exercises in 1 set, which is supersets. Itu yang pengen aku bilang. Dan aku akan lakukan chest fly, and then after that we're gonna do some triceps extension. Aku akan lakukan chest fly di 17.5 kilos untuk 10 repetisi aja. Habis itu tricep extensionnya itu di 10 kilo di 10 repetisi aja. And yeah, let's just take a rest first, and then I'll see you guys on the last set of it biar videonya nggak kepanjangan. So yeah, let's just take a rest first. Bye bye. Hey Siri. Oke, pindahin kamera dulu. Oke guys, that's it. So ya, yang barusan ini aku lakukan itu di set ketiga dari incline dumbbell flies dan tricep extension pakai cable rope seperti ini. Dan yeah, it was great actually. Incline dumbbell flies-nya aku dapat di 17.5 kilo, habis itu tricepsnya itu di 10 kilo. Meskipun cuman 10 kilo aja, tapi udah kerasa banget. Dan seperti yang kalian lihat tadi, kalau misalnya kalian notice, incline bench-nya ini itu nggak setinggi incline bench biasanya. Aku rendahin lagi sedikit supaya lebih sedikit kena di bahunya dan lebih banyak ke chest-nya. Dan ya bener aja, aku lebih banyak ngerasain bench chest-nya pada saat melakukan chest fly. And yeah, karena I recommend you guys to doing it as well. Just try it first, and then if you like it, you can use it as well. If you don't like it, you can go back to the first one that you used to do. So aku akan beres-beres dulu, and then we talk again later for the outro. So guys, that's it for today's video. Aku sudah selesaikan semua latihannya dan ya berjalan dengan lancar sesuai dengan sesuai dengan planningku. Well, shoulder pressnya enggak, aku planningkan shoulder pressnya itu di 23,5 kilo, tapi aku mikir tadi pada saat mau melakukan shoulder press, aku mikir kayak oke, kayaknya naikin deh gitu lagi satu step, itu naiknya lagi satu step yaitu di 25 kilo. And yeah, I did it even though it's kinda struggling. Well, it's not kinda struggling, it's struggling so hard di set ketiganya, tapi kayaknya masih bagus deh formnya sama tekniknya sama movementnya. So yeah, ternyata chest fly ku juga naik ke 17,5 dari yang 16 kilo sebelumnya. Pantesan agak berat tadi, tapi nggak apa-apa. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Aku dapetin semuanya without any injury. Mudah-mudahan besok akan seperti itu lagi. dan mudah-mudahan aku akan mastering my conventional deadlift. Besok aku ada pause deadlift dan mudah-mudahan bisa ngebantu aku lah untuk naikin number dari deadliftku nanti pada saat di meet. So, aku ini batuk sebenarnya sama Villa, tapi nggak apa-apa. I still can do exercise. So, I think that's it guys. Karena telurku sudah menunggu di sana. Well, masih ada 9 menitan sih. Jadi aku akan stopkan sekarang. Aku udah buat telur tadi pada saat during aku melakukan incline dumbbell flies-nya. Pada saat rest tuh aku masukin telur 5, habis itu set the timer, and then ntar aku tinggal makan aja sambil aku melakukan sepeda. So for the cardio I only do like 20 minutes. Aku mulai lagi, jadi aku nggak bisa langsung ke 30 menit karena I want to feel the joy first. I want to feel like I'm comfortable to doing it first, and then I gonna increase it bit by bit, kayak mungkin 22, 24, 26, 28, 30 atau bahkan 1 menit aja di setiap minggunya naik. That's okay, it's still a progression. So yeah, that's it for this exercise. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe, like if you like it, and share to your friends. And for those of you guys who are watching up until now, I really thank you very much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.